In this video, I am going to show you how to use Microsoft Excel in your mobile phone. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Play Store and download the application WPS. Now in the Google Store, go to search button and type WPS, which stands for Writer Presentation Spreadsheet. Then you click on search button. So as you can see, the application is already downloaded in my phone. So all I need to do is to update. Then after updating, then you exit the window and go straight to where the application shortcut is in your phone. Then click on it to open. So here you see a cycle with a plus sign inside. You click on it. Then you see another green plus sign. You click on it to open a blank worksheet for you in your phone. So here you can see A, B, C column and the 1, 2, 3 rows, sheet 1, sheet 2, which is just very similar to the Excel version in your computer. Here you can see Office button. So first of all, let us use a test for some of the calculation we want to do here. So using the test ABC, so we would go through all the menus just as it is obtained in the computer version. So here you have the Office button. You have home file view and the rest. So in the home view, you have sizes where you can select different sizes of your test. In the same home view, you can still apply colors to your text, colors of your choice. You can also change the font style. You can also change the fill color of the selected text to your desired color. You can also change the alignment of the text, either left, right, center. You can also create border on the selected text. And so many other menus are available in the home tab. Then you go to the file menu where you will see something like save as, export to PDF, and so on and so forth. After this, we then move to the view tab, where you can see shortcuts like copy, filter, find and replace. Next is the insert, where you can insert cell, insert chart, text box and shape. So here let us insert a triangular, a square shape as an illustration. Next is the data tab, where you have your auto sum, calculate, text column and data validation, and the other functions you can find under the data tab. Next is the view tab, where you can insert comments in your cell. You also have protect sheet, where you can put password. So at this juncture, we shall be looking into some of the common arithmetic you can obtain in the computer version. So here we'll deal with some of the basic arithmetic to show you that whatsoever you can do in the computer version, you can also do it in the phone version. So here we have a name and the score of some individual, and here we want to do something like summing the total of the scores. Then we'll find the addition, subtraction, the mode, and the mean and median of a group of numbers, just as you can obtain in your computer. So here we want to find the total sum of the numbers entered from B2 to B4. Next is the sum. So in this, next is the addition formula. In the addition formula, you can use the sum function, or you can as well indicate the different cells that you want to add up together. For this example, I have to choose a group of cells for the addition. Next is the subtraction. So here I will minus B6 from B5. Next is division operation. Next is the mode function in Excel. The mode in Excel is just a remainder after dividing one number from another. When you divide a number with another number, the remainder of that division is what is referred as the mode. So here we divide 200 with 100, and the remainder, as can be seen from the results, is however, other functions like mean, median, and or and various other embedded Excel functions can be obtained the same way you do it in your computer.